Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the Transcript Converter. This tool is designed to bridge the gap between external transcription services and Adobe Premiere Pro. Currently, Premiere Pro's internal transcription engine supports a limited number of languages. If you are editing content in languages like Turkish, Arabic, Hebrew, Persian, Urdu, or Bengali, you cannot utilize Premiere's powerful text-based editing features natively. So, what is the workaround? Let's say I want to edit a clip in a non-supported language. For this example, we will use an Arabic clip as a showcase. First, we need to transcribe the file using an external service. I recommend ElevenLabs because of its high accuracy and support for over 90 languages. Simply upload your audio or video file to ElevenLabs and generate the transcript.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم صلاح حامد وأهلا وسهلا فيكم.
As you can see, the accuracy is state-of-the-art. To import this transcript into Premiere Pro, we need to export it as a JSON file. We use JSON because it includes individual timestamps for every word. However, there is a compatibility issue. Let's import the JSON file into Premiere Pro. First, double-click the clip to open it in the source monitor. Next, navigate to the Transcript tab and choose to import the JSON file as a static script. Select your downloaded file, and the import will complete successfully. If we attempt to import the raw JSON file from ElevenLabs directly into Premiere Pro, the text appears, but the synchronization fails.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم صلاح حامد وأهلا.
You will notice the words do not highlight in blue during playback. This happens because the external timecode formatting does not strictly match Premiere Pro's specifications. This is where Transcript Converter comes in. It takes the JSON file generated by ElevenLabs, or similar tools, and converts it into a format that is fully compatible with Premiere Pro. The process is simple. Select your original JSON file, and the tool instantly creates a compatible version. Now, when we import the converted file into the source monitor, you will see proper timecodes. As I play the clip, the text highlights in sync with the audio. This effectively unlocks text-based editing for any language. You can now cut, copy, paste, and create closed captions directly inside Premiere Pro. Let's look at a useful feature called segmentation. Often, raw transcripts group text into massive blocks, sometimes 3 or 4 minutes long, which makes navigation difficult. Transcript Converter allows you to split these timecodes into smaller, manageable chunks. For example, I can set the segmentation to 20 seconds. Choose the ElevenLabs JSON file to begin. If a done file already exists, Transcript Converter will automatically overwrite it. When I process the file and import it, the text is broken down into 20-second segments, making it much easier to scan and edit. Finally, let's discuss the Word document export feature. First, let's look at the native Word export from ElevenLabs. When we open the file, you can see the problem immediately. It groups the text into massive chunks. For example, here we have a single segment spanning 6 minutes. This makes it nearly impossible for a scriptwriter to pinpoint specific moments or timecodes. Now, let's try the Create Word Document option in Transcript Converter. By checking this box and selecting the same JSON file, the tool generates a document that actually respects the segmentation. Let's open it up. As you can see, this is much better. The data is presented in a clean table with precise timecodes and speaker names, making it incredibly easy to read. This is also excellent for translation workflows. Since tools like Google Translate do not support JSON files, you can upload this formatted Word document, translate the script into English, or any other language, and download a perfectly translated, time-coded script. That is the power of Transcript Converter. It ensures you are no longer limited by language barriers when using text-based editing in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.